Since you went away, it's been 1 year, 2 months, but it just don't seem like yesterday. We were still together, time has passed and things have changed. So why do I feel this way? Cause you're with somebody else, and I'm with somebody else. But whenever I think about the love we had, whenever I think about the love we made, I said that I'd be strong. Girl, I really thought that I'd move on, but still I find myself asking